take a stand for peace, security, and development in not just our neighborhood, but across the globe. Further, we join the global community in combating existential threats to humanity in the form of conflict, terrorism, poverty, exclusion, and of course the triple planetary crisis of pollution, loss of diversity, and climate change. In all this and other endeavors, we must also invoke our collective faith as a nation and congregate before the throne of mercy and seat of grace in order that our effort may be blessed with success and that our unity, cohesion, and solidarity be elevated to a divine communion, solemn fellowship, and sacred fraternity of all our people. Colossians 3:13 reminds us to bear with each other and to forgive one another. On this day of prayer, I call your attention to the important need for a shared understanding of all the causes we hold dear and are willing to defend. Without this understanding, we end up fighting each other instead of fighting for our causes. Without this understanding, we end up divided when we should be united. I want to remind all of us leaders about the expectations that the people of Kenya have, that we love our country dearly and will do our part, individually and collectively, to make Kenya work and succeed in promoting the well-being, the dignity, and the liberty of all our people. We are expected to be united by the vision of a strong, secure, prosperous Kenya, where our people live in prosperity, freedom, and happiness. These are proper and legitimate expectations. I will go further and propose that although our ideas concerning the means, strategies, and policies of achieving this vision may differ, we must remain cognizant of a line no one should ever cross, of wishing that this nation fails or that her people suffer, just to vindicate our politics. Neither can we pursue an agenda of sabotage for political advantage. Democracy is a defined political gift which enables us to compete vigorously, as we always do, but also empowers us to reconcile our aspirations and recognize the fundamental unity of our truest aspirations in a single vision for a free, strong, prosperous, united, and secure nation. This vision cannot admit the weaponization of political differences to punish the vulnerable, prejudice the innocent, injure the hardworking, and afflict the struggling. Pursuit of political aspiration must also enhance justice, not undermine it, expand freedom, not constrict it, and must increase democracy, freedom, and security, and not promote autocracy, tyranny, impunity, destruction, or fear. Isaiah 1:18 reminds us to reason together. Today, we are in the midst of a robust national conversation about public policies. Our democratic culture has endowed us with a rare opportunity to reason together and reconcile with our current realities. We all agree